Do you ever feel like your home is shrinking because of clutter? Imagine turning even the tiniest corner into smart storage without spending a fortune. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll share practical and creative storage ideas that will help you maximize every inch of your small space. Small space storage means using smart techniques and compact solutions to keep your belongings organized without overcrowding your living area. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Start by decluttering. Keep only what you really need. Step 2. Use vertical space with shelves or wall-mounted racks. Step 3. Choose multi-purpose furniture like ottomans with hidden compartments. Step 4. Organize items into labeled boxes or baskets for easy access. Step 5. Create zones. Separate storage for clothes, kitchen essentials, and work supplies. Tools explained. You'll need basic organizers like stackable boxes, wall shelves, hooks, and storage bins. If possible, a drill or adhesive strips will help you set up shelves and hooks without hassle. Quick tips: store seasonal items under the bed. Hang bags and accessories behind doors. Use clear bins so you can see what's inside at a glance. Cost comparison: buying custom cabinets can cost hundreds of dollars, but DIY solutions like plastic bins, fabric baskets, or budget shelves cost only a fraction while giving the same functionality. Declutter gives categorize, gives maximize vertical space, gives add multipurpose furniture, gives maintain regularly. Notes: always measure your space before buying storage items. This ensures everything fits perfectly and avoids wasting money on oversized solutions. By decluttering, using vertical storage, and choosing the right organizers, even the smallest space can feel open, clean, and functional. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home organization tips.